We're at my newest listing in Passyunk Square, bringing to market the most exciting renovation in the neighborhood. Remember 404 Earp Street that sold in one day over asking? Well, this is the same exact home, but even bigger and better. Come check it out. The best part about this home is it feels like new construction, but benefits from Philadelphia's rehab tax abatement, meaning even greater tax savings over the next 10 years. Don't blink, this home will not last.